how to access your author dashboard, and check royalty, order author copies and much more. Go to www.bluerose1.com and click on Login. Enter your email and click on Continue. You will receive an OTP on your registered email. Enter the OTP and go to Dashboard. This is the main dashboard where you get a glimpse of all your books. Your royalty earned. Click on Sales and Royalty to check the details of each sale and the royalty earned. Please be informed that the actual sale is updated here in 7 for local, to a maximum of 45 days for international sales. You can withdraw royalties by clicking on the Withdraw button. If you wish to order print copies, go to Order Author Copies and select the title you wish to buy, then enter the quantity and select the delivery location. Click on Calculate and pay the total amount. Under My Library, you'll find all the ebooks you purchase on BlueRose Store. Update bank account details under My Bank Account. Delete the ones you don't wish to use and add an active bank account details. Make sure to enter the correct information, like your account number and IFSC code, etc. This comprehensive author dashboard provides you with all the details once the book is published and keeps you updated all the time. If you ever face any challenge, feel free to raise a support ticket or write at client support@bluerosepublishers.com. Thank you.